Hello everyone! Today gumawa po kami ng kaldereta na lamb at isasawsaw po natin sa bread. So ito po yung lamb after marinating po. Minarinate na po namin siya with some yogurt, garlic, and onions. Tapos ito pong tomato paste. Parang i-fry po namin or so. And then here's the lamb po. So after naluto po yung tomato paste a little para meron po siyang taste, ihahalo po natin yung lamb like this. So stir it until fully coated po siya individually. So ayan po. Oh, masarap po siyang tignan. So ayan, we're just going to stir it around. Of course, let the meat simmer hanggang lalambot po siya. And ayan po. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. So next, ayan, after simmering po, malambot na po yung meat. Tsaka na-absorb na po ng tomato paste yung meat juices. And magdadagdag po tayo ng carrots. And, ayan po. So, we're going to let that cook. And some potatoes, which prinito po namin sa una. And then, yan, we're going to mix it around. And we're also going to add some green bell pepper. Ayan po. Ooh, that looks so good. So, we're going to let that cook. So, ayan po. Naluto na po siya. So, until the carrots, the bell pepper, and the potatoes, naluto na po siya. So, pwede na po nating kainin. Ayan po. Ang sarap-sarap niya. So, this is full of meat. Tapos, ang dami niya pong flavor. There. Ayan po, kumuha na din po ako ng patatas. Ang sarap-sarap. Hindi na naman ako papayat neto. Ayan, guys. So, ito po yung bread na gagamitin ko. Like, I will eat. I think it's called cubes. I'm not very sure. But, oh my gosh, this bread is so fluffy and nice. And perfect po siya talaga sa kaldereta. So, pag ayaw nyo po ng rice, pwede po kayong bumili ng flat bread na brown. Wow, so healthy. Yan, kahit ganong karaming ulam po gusto nyong kainin, basta hindi magkanin. Ruin na naman diet ko.